Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video, in this bed, we amended it and we added more soil, lots of amendments, and we replanted mustards that were previously in this bed, and also burgundy or a red mustard that was in a container. And I'm just walking around to see how they are looking, and it looks as if they have gotten watered very well. They're standing up. The red mustard is still drooping a little, not as much as it was yesterday. I'm pretty sure that over time it will stand up and be doing just like it was when it was in the container. Everything looks well. So in today's video, we are going to harvest some lettuce. I have 3 or 4 different types of lettuce planted in my long Viviga bed. And sadly, almost every time I plant lettuce outside, the lettuce ends up bolting. And it looks like that's what's happening to a couple of the varieties. So we're going to harvest what we can, and I thought I would bring you along. Let's get started. So in this bed, we have 5 different types of lettuce. And as you can see, some of them have started to bolt, even though the weather down here has been cooler than normal at night. In the daytimes, we're still reaching close to the 80s. So what I'm going to do is harvest what I can. And we're probably going to use this bed for something else, some more planting at a later date. I have some Romanesco and Savannah Romanesco broccoli started inside the house, and also some Savannah turnips. So we may use this bed for that, but let's go ahead and start harvesting. So here is our harvest of lettuce. As you can see, we have green romaine, we have red romaine, we have Merlot, and a couple other types of lettuce in here. So we'll go in the house and we're going to rinse these off and dry them and then put them in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you got something out of it. I hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food such as this, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.